Hey cadets, how is it going over there? Have you seen lately a lot of peeps showed off their airdrop profits from layer 2 projects like Optimism and most recently Arbitrum? Today we're going to be talking about Arbswap, the first truly native DEX on both the Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova networks. Just like Uniswap ballooned during DeFi summer of 2020, good times. Arbswap could be the next big thing. So let's break it down and jump into it. I'm Captain Crypto and welcome to Cryptonauts. Since the innovation of Ethereum, there are a lot of things we can build on top of a secure, decentralized blockchain. Things like DeFi protocols, GameFi games, NFTs, metaverses. But despite the obvious use cases and benefits, how come this solution hasn't reached the attention of the public or has the L-shaped adoption chart like the internet or cell phone? Well, the Achilles heel of Ethereum is its poor scalability, which only allows 27 transactions per minute. This pushes up the gas prices, making an average transaction fee up to $40 US. During congesting time, gas fees can even go up to hundreds and even thousands of dollars. Here's an example. During the BAYC land sale, users wasted thousands of dollars on failed transfers, and one player even spent $44,000 on gas just to mint.
Only an idiot will just use gasoline willy-nilly.
To battle this problem, we have introduced a couple of solutions. First, a lot of layer 1 blockchain protocols like Solana, BNB Chain, Polkadot, they've all come through and appeared to try to fix the scalability problem.
I can fix that.
But so far, none have really successfully claimed that. The other major solution are layer 2s like Polygon, Optimism, and Arbitrum, which all have received a lot of support from the community and also our almighty leader Vitalik. The latest hotspot is clearly Arbitrum, which released its first airdrop on March 22nd this year. During this airdrop, more than 1 billion ARB tokens were claimed by 550,000 wallets, according to Doom Dashboard, averaging from 400 to 1,250 US. A huge profit, especially during the bear market. Also, at the time of writing this episode, Arbitrum 1 had a TVL, total value lock, of around 6 billion US dollars, taking up 60% market shares of all layer 2 TVLs. So I think this layer 2 definitely deserves our attention. We actually have a video about Arbitrum fully broken down, so if you want to see that one, just click right here. There's also something called the Arbitrum Nova chain, which is built for gaming and social activities with high throughput and engagement. As for now, Arbitrum 1 is geared towards scaling rollups for DeFi specifically. Every ecosystem needs a native DEX, or sometimes called an AMM. We actually have a full DeFi video breaking down DEXs and automated market makers right here if you need to catch up. But a DEX is essentially a decentralized exchange that allows users to trade and use their tokens on the blockchain that it's built on. Also, with the low trading fee and no delay time that Arbitrum provides, there will be massive amounts of projects that will migrate or build on Arbitrum in the future, which creates a huge inflow of tokens to the Arbitrum ecosystem and raises the need of a DEX. Seeing that a lot of AMMs and DEXs have already partnered with Arbitrum and started integrating their tech, such as Uniswap, GMX, Trader Joe's, but what about a truly native DEX that's built on Arbitrum? So Arbswap is that DEX that's built on both Arbitrum 1 and also on Nova. It leverages the scalability of Arbitrum, and it's one of the better AMM protocols out there. Prior to making this video, I actually used it myself. I did some transactions, I threw a little bit of LP in there. So far so good. They've been doing a really good job. So here is a fun fact. Arbswap actually went live in January of 2022. That's more than a year ago, and they've been building and growing organically ever since. It was first launched on Arbitrum 1, and then in August last year, Arbswap added support for Arbitrum Nova within 2 weeks of its launch. Since then, multiple features have been deployed on Arbswap, in addition to its sufficient AMM for both DeFi and GameFi, and maybe now, meme coin tokens. For example, it's got good liquidity farming features for yield hunters. I see you farmers out there. There's a prediction minigame to test your market knowledge and reward you with the right prediction, and it's even got their own launchpad platform to help take new projects on Arbitrum to the moon. Arbswap also runs some incentive programs that you don't really want to miss out on. So for those Arbitrum projects out there that are building, all you developers, listen up. There's actually an accelerator program. Apply and get a seed investment from them. Build something awesome and let them invest in you. So yes, Arbswap wants to become the ultimate DEX on both Arbitrum 1 and Arbitrum Nova. But they also most definitely want to help the whole Arbitrum ecosystem grow as well. Growth and community building, can't put a price on that. But speaking about incentive, Arbswap also has you covered. Supply liquidity and earn, farm and earn, and they've also done a number of airdrops in the past, with the most recent one just wrapping up, and there were over 100,000 transactions. It was pretty massive. So for those lucky enough to have participated in time, all you have to do now is just stay tuned and claim your airdrop once it's live in the near future. To get more information about Arbswap and Arbitrum, you can check out all the links below in the description. And don't forget to follow them on social media if you like what they're doing. You don't always have to do what I say, obviously. Airdrops are a great way to make some money as well in the bear market, so don't miss out. So this is one of our first videos talking about airdrops. If you like it, we will continue to hunt and find some of the good airdrops. So let us know what you think about this. Let us know what you think about Arbswap. And if there's any builders or people that want to grow the ecosystem, just reach out to us. Happy to help you and push you to their team. So for now, hodl, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.